So the big event that we've all been waiting for is finally here. In this video, I'll talk about what we can expect from it and how it could affect Dogecoin. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. Yesterday, Bitcoin saw a massive sell-off where almost 79,000 Bitcoins were sold. This caused a price drop, but I think there's another catch to it that all Dogecoin holders need to know about. It looks like the investors sold their Bitcoins to create a price drop as these were sold on the spot market. And then the investors bought their Bitcoins back again when the price dropped to around $29,500 today. But I'd like to remind you that I am not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice, so you should definitely do proper research before investing anything into crypto. But the good news for Dogecoin and Bitcoin holders is that it looks like the market is recovering. Bitcoin has bounced back to $32,000. Many big whales thought that it might go below $29,000 today, but luckily, it jumped back to its previous value. Keeping its volatile nature in mind, I think it might keep moving upwards in value today. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, let's take a look at Dogecoin's chart for a minute. Currently, it is standing at 20 cents and we're up by almost 17% in just 24 hours. This is absolutely incredible. People are buying like crazy right now. If you ask me, I'd say that Doge might just cross its next resistance level at 21 cents today. Anyway, let's take a look at what some analysts are saying about the recent dip of Bitcoin below the $30,000 mark. The Bitcoin master expressed concerns about its potential for an 80% average price drop. He thinks we could see this drop if Bitcoin breaks negative on its 50-day simple moving average. According to him, if the fractal occurs, BTC exchange prices may fall to as low as $13,000. But as I thought before, contrary to these predictions, Bitcoin saw a rise of almost 7.5% in the last 24 hours. Now, let's take a look at a disagreement between China and the US regarding the digital yuan. Recently, 3 U.S. senators have written a letter to Olympic and Paralympic officials asking them to stop U.S. athletes from using the digital yuan. Basically, they think that this Chinese currency can be tracked and traced by the People's Bank of China. Senators claim that its new feature could allow Chinese officials to spy on their country's athletes and track their purchases even after they return to the U.S. They also condemned this move by saying that it is a serious violation of international law. Now, I just think this is bonkers. China is getting a bit too wary right now. We saw the recent crackdown on crypto and now this. I just feel they need to loosen their stance a bit. Moving forward, let's take a look at the biggest news right now that I'm the most excited about. It's about the B-Word event, which is going to be attended by Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and Cathie Wood. If you don't know, B-Word is a Bitcoin-focused project that seeks to debunk popular narratives about Bitcoin and to explain how institutions might embrace it. It also raises awareness about parts of the network that need assistance. It is very clear that this event is a big part of the crypto world as all these 3 giants are going to discuss Bitcoin on a live stream. Now, it's going to start at exactly 11 a.m. Pacific time and you can watch it on its official website. Since Elon himself is holding a lot of shares in Bitcoin, analysts have predicted that he might accept that Bitcoin mining is finally using 50% clean energy. And when that happens, Tesla will also start accepting Bitcoin again. This will cause an instant dramatic increase in Bitcoin's value. It is absolutely going to explode when that happens. And I think he could also announce that he's accepting Dogecoin in this event. It's just a matter of time. I think Elon has been waiting for the perfect opportunity to accept that Bitcoin is being mined with 50% clean energy now. And the time has finally come. This is his perfect opportunity. I'm not sure why he's been so reluctant till now. According to this report, mining was done with 50% clean energy in Q2 of 2021. Also, as I said earlier, I think just like Bitcoin, Doge will also make its way above its next support level of 21 cents. I think the big whales have acted as a catalyst for this uptrend that we saw today. Anyway, another good news came out for crypto today. Recently, the CEO of JP Morgan said that many of its clients want to invest in crypto as they consider cryptocurrency as an asset class. He also said that, "A lot of our clients say that's an asset class and I want to invest. Our job is to help them to put their money where they want to invest." This is very bullish news for crypto holders. JP Morgan is finally coming out in support of crypto again. Basically, everything is falling into place once again, and this is the perfect time to accumulate. As you can see, Dogecoin is constantly rising. We've received a lot of comments on this channel that talk about how Dogecoin is going to fall even more from here. This happens every time I come out with a positive news, but now, as I've been saying, everything is falling into place for Dogecoin again. Now, coming back to JP Morgan, this is bullish because it has been really bearish on crypto in the recent weeks. I've been saying how they're trying to manipulate the market, and now that they're accumulated, they know that it's the right time to pump. Now, JP Morgan is also on a hiring spree for its blockchain business. It currently has openings in audit, engineering, and marketing. In October 2020, it announced that it will consolidate all of its blockchain-related goods and services under a new business unit called Onyx. I think it is doing so because it knows that there is going to be an even bigger demand in future. Let's also look at what the CEO of BlackRock has to say about cryptocurrencies being considered as an asset. If you don't know, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager. So, its CEO said that, "I am fascinated by cryptocurrencies. I do believe these could become a great asset class." Now, let's take a look at another fascinating news from MasterCard. So, it recently made a huge announcement about its crypto acceptance protocols. It is now providing freedom to its users by giving a cryptocurrency payment method as well. According to a recent press release, the company has partnered with Evolve, Paxos, and Circle for a project that aims to simplify the process of converting virtual currencies to fiat. And this is incredible. Now, a pretty scary news from the European Commission. It has officially announced a big shutdown of the crypto industry. The prime target of this shutdown is the anonymous crypto wallets. In a press release, it said that the amendments will ensure full traceability of crypto asset transfers, such as Bitcoin, and will allow for prevention and detection of their possible use for money laundering or terrorism financing. In addition, anonymous crypto asset wallets will be prohibited, fully applying EU rules to the crypto sector. I think the Commission is doing so to combat illegal money laundering and transactions. In any case, I think Dogecoin and other cryptos are going to ride this wave of bad news. There's simply too much going on for these cryptos right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if it touches the 30-cent mark this week. I think it's definitely possible if Elon makes a huge announcement at the B word today. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.